What's up guys, it's Spencer, and today I'm going to teach you how to bar spin. Okay, the first thing you want to do, if you're like me, then you'll put your hands on the inside more. And if you do the catch, if you do the handoff, you spin your bars and you kind of let go a little bit. You hold on with your 2 fingers, and when this hand's out here, you bring it around and catch it, and then you just roll off your hand. And so you just, looks like that. And if you do the throw, I don't do the throw, it's you come around here and you just throw your bar to your other hand. Just like that. And I prefer the catch because it's way more easier and it looks more clean. And, okay, now I'll just do it. That was the catch. Here's the throw. And the difference is when you throw it, it doesn't, to me it doesn't look as clean, but some people do it that way. And that's it.
All right.